Hello, my name is Michael Maurer. I'm here from MarineMax, Summers Point, New Jersey. Here we're going to go through our brand new 2018 245 Sailfish dual console powered by a Yamaha 300. Let's step aboard and look at the boat. So you have a starboard entry. So as we come on the boat, we're going to start on the bow and we'll work our way to the stern. So you do have a full wind door. So as you can see on the bow, you have a full wraparound seating with hydraulic action pins for ample storage on both sides. And then if you want to have lunch, cocktail party, there's a bracket right here for a table. And the table will encompass this area of the boat so you can have wraparound seating. Working back, see the head. This particular boat comes with a full enclosure, eyes and glass enclosure, as well as a bow and cockpit covers. The helm, you can see, is equipped with the Garmin GPS map XSV, user-friendly model, cutting-edge technology that Garmin just put out. The Yamaha, you'll get all your readouts of your engines, your fuel burn, your speed, RPMs, everything's done through that screen. Sailfish makes your switches very accessible. So as you're driving, everything's forward. You're not looking all over the place or down or back. Everything's right there in front of you. We have the upgraded Fusion stereo system, all Bluetooth. Trim tabs, digital throttle, no cable, all fly-by-wire. Then underneath, more storage, called a black box. Put your phone, wallet, keys. And then right here, USB port. Charge your phone, play your music. Right through your phone, you can hear out throughout the whole boat. This boat comes equipped with a Garmin 100 VHF. So truly, the boat is loaded. You wouldn't have to really get anything for this particular boat. So working back, this seat has 4 positions. So you can have a front, if you want to lay down, put it here, there, or if you want to lay flat, straight through. So right here you have a fixed cooler that does drain out from the boat. So if you guys want to go to a beach or a sandbar and you don't want to get on and off your boat to get your soft drinks or food, it comes with a portable cooler. So you have a little bit of everything in the boat. Okay? So back here you have wraparound seating. You have that side. Then we'll flip over to this side. So the boat offers wraparound seating. So you can entertain a good number of people back here. Sailfish loves their cup holders. They give you, the customer, plenty of opportunities to hold your drinks. And then what's nice about the ones forward right here, it's a rod holder / cup holder. So they do have some neat features with that. Now if you want to go fishing and you want the stuff out of the way, they simply fold up. This folds up. Now you have a full cockpit to go fishing. If you want to go tubing or skiing, up, twist, and lock. It's a patented design by Sailfish. When you're not using it, it's out of sight, out of mind. Rod holders in the back, circulating live well. And everything in the boat at night lights up blue, including the live well, the deck, the underwater lights, even the speakers. The speakers light up blue as well. Just a really sharp looking boat. Your battery switch is right here, so as you're entering the boat, you know to turn your boat on, and as you're leaving, you know to turn it off. So everything's right here. This is our 2018 245 dual console. If you have any questions, my name is Michael Maurer. You can certainly call me or anybody else from our team at 609-926-0600. We'll see you on the water.